This summer, United Tire is encouraging you to hit the road. Whether it be to a local destination or a great big adventure, we want to make sure your vehicle is safe.
As you rack up miles this summer, your car has more chance for automotive failure. United Tire and Service wants to help you relax and enjoy your vacation no matter where your adventures take you.
For the month of July, United Tire is giving you the chance to win a summer getaway. This giveaway is a $250 voucher that you can use on your next trip. Here's what you have to do to be entered. Bring your car to any United Tire location for a free 16-point safety check. When you go in for the inspection, tell the staff to use the promo code DRIVESAFE, and you'll be on your way to safe driving this summer season.
Our technicians will perform a 16-point safety check to ensure your car is ready for your next road trip. Schedule online or call your local United Tire store for your chance to win, and be sure to mention promo code DRIVESAFE.
You want to better your chances? Check in on Facebook while you're getting your Drive United safety check done to earn additional entries.
This summer, it's time to relax. Don't drive alone, drive United.